Think big muscles always mean real strength? Not quite. A group of bodybuilders decided to test that idea by taking on a construction worker, and things didn't go as expected. The task sounded simple, but it was anything but easy. Lift a heavy construction cart loaded with over 520 kilos of cement, carry it a few steps, and keep it steady. The first bodybuilder stepped up. He struggled just to get it off the ground. On his second attempt, he finally lifted it, but lost control and it crashed down. Next came the second bodybuilder. He managed to lift it on the first try, but within seconds, it slipped and dropped. The real challenge wasn't lifting, it was balance. Then came the construction worker, and in that moment, he proved one thing clearly. Real strength isn't just about size, it's about skill, control, and experience.